How to fix the TikTok login problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the login on the TikTok application, here is what should be done. First and foremost, you have to make sure you have updated the application. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and in the description or the search, type in TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, it will give you a list of options. Tap on the very first one and make sure to tap on update button to get the latest installation version. Once that is done, head over to the TikTok app, long press it and go to app info. Once that is done, you'll have to go for storage and cache and then clear the cache. Another thing to keep in mind is having a stable internet connection. Make sure to switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to confirm it. After that, if you head over to the TikTok application and log in, it will ask you for the password. If you do not remember it, make sure to forget password and reset a new one. And once that is done, you should be successfully logged in into your account. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.